Hi everybody, this is quick review of my favorite impact driver Dewalt DCF845. Actually I have many different impact driver, different company, mostly Dewalt and Bosch. It was flagship model. It has free speed, free bright LED. I like it very much with no shadow. I like this clutch, one hand operation, so it can work with Bluetooth connect, but I doesn't use it. I don't need it. After that they release most powerful impact driver 860 model, and after that they release 870. It's newest model for the moment. It's hydraulic quiet model, but for me this is enough. Why? Because I never use all power or all speed. I mostly work it on the second speed. Sometime when I use big screw, I'm select to the mod free, but mostly I don't need it. Why? Because I am cabin maker, so I make furniture, install it. Sometimes it's maybe can be some structure like wall panel, reception. So speed and power not first place for me, because I don't wanna damage furniture or panel or whatever I do. So what's good about it? As I say, it's a single switch, free speed. I like it. I don't like when you have 10 different buttons for different mode and you don't understand what are you doing now. It's just like a fancy Christmas tree. It's everything shining, different LEDs inside. No, I don't like it. I like first speed, second speed, third speed when I use some kind big structure, bolts, screw, something like this. So I like it, use it with 2 ampere or 4 ampere flat battery. It's make it more compact, more lightweight, so it's reason why I like it. It's good to my hand, very ergonomic, very easy to use, and I like one hand operation clutch, really good. I don't have problem with it, really easy to use, and even like this sometimes. I often use it like a drill with different drill bits, really good. So what is good about? It's really tough tool, and it doesn't cost to you all money in the universe. You can just grab and go working. So what issues I have with this tool? just only one problem what I have. It's when you use less ampere battery, like 2 ampere, it doesn't have enough power to work on the first speed. What I mean, I work on the second speed and then I switch to the first speed, but it still have same RPM like second speed. It still have same RPM and power like on the second speed. First time I even don't see it, don't realize it, because I mostly work it on the second speed. But few times I see this glitch. But when you use 3 ampere and more battery, this is problem disappear. Or when you took your battery to the charger, problem just disappear. So it's have really good LED light. I really like it. When you touch, when you pull the trigger, it's light something like 10 or 20 seconds. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments. If you have same problem like me with speed selector, or do you have another problem, can you write about it? See you next time. So it's good tool for everyday use it, and it's definitely cost every dollar that I spend it to it.